Hello, Stonington. Welcome to the Stonington Real Estate Market Report, put on by Bridget Morrissey, who, as you just saw, is with a client right now. And so I'll be giving you the report, and let me just go over what we're going to see today. The report covers the trends in the median sales price, the number of new listings, number of homes for sale, pending sales, closed sales, also the median days on the market, and we get into monthly statistics. But before we go there, you may want to see what is on the market for yourself. So Bridget has a website. If you go to bridgetmorrissey.com and just type in Stonington in the search bar, you'll come up with a list of all the homes in Stonington for sale. Or you can go to bmre.us/06378 list and get the listing yourself. But let's get right into the report for the month of May. As you can see, the number of two-bedroom homes that were sold was 4, and the average price was $882,000. The three bedrooms sold for an average of $331,000. There were 7 of those, and there were 6 four-bedroom homes sold at a little over $500,000 apiece. Interesting fact, 17 homes sold, but look down at the days on market. 15 of them went in less than a month. And if you look at the financing, 7 of them were cash and 8 of them were conventional fixed. Most sellers kind of shy away if they have a choice from the government-backed loans because some of them have extra requirements before the home can get sold. So if it's cash or conventional fixed, the sellers really go for that. So you can see that happened. But let's get into median price. Okay, the Stonington median sales price, this graph and all the graphs that I'm going to show you go back 12 months from the point on the graph. So let's start off looking at 2020, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and we'll take a look at the first point, which looks at the previous year. So we started with a median sales price of around $350,000. And you can see that it just kept going up and up and up through January of 2022, this year. The price topped out at just about $430,000 for a median sales price. And if we can go on our little tour here, we'll look at the new listings. And you can see since the pandemic started, the number of new listings, even though it had a little jump back in February of 2021, February and March, has been sliding down pretty much on a steady basis. Let's take a closer look. And you can see that it started off looking at the whole year for 2020 was just over 380 new listings. And at year end 2021, we were looking at about 325 maybe. And that number today, if you notice the little fine print in the bottom, the data is from June 22nd, 2022. That's from today. And we're down to 300 new listings if you look back over the previous 12 months. So let's take a look at homes for sale. All right, the number of new homes for sale, obviously, with the listings going down, the homes for sale has been going down in a direct line since January of 2021. Now, let me get a little bit closer for you. We can see that it went for the previous year, 2020, it went from about, I'd say about 112 down to year end 2021. We were looking at probably about 63. And if you look at today, going back 12 months, we're getting close to that 50 mark. The same thing with pending sales. The the number of pending sales has been going down pretty quickly. It leveled off through the middle of 2021, but then it kind of kept going down, and we were at 340, which kind of matched the previous numbers, down to under 300 for year-end 2021, and we're at about 270 right now. Looking at closed sales, again, we're at a pretty steady pace there for the beginning of 2021, but you can see from the middle of 2021 down to the present day, the number of closed sales has been dwindling because there haven't been that many homes on the market. So but let me show you an interesting thing. The number of days on the market, the median days on the market, in a normal year, prior to 2020, if you sold a home within 30 to 45 days, you were right on. You were in the right mix of things, and you can see that in the report here. We're at about 37 days on the market for the whole year 2020, but then the pandemic hit, and look what happened. The number of homes on the market went down, and the number of days on the market went way down. And right now we're hovering around 15 days on the market, which is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. So let's take a look at what happened in the month of May compared to the month of May in 2021. The number of new listings went down about 33%. You can see it went from 39 to 26. The pending sales did pop up a little bit, and the closed sales did go down about 40%. Now I want to explain something to you, the difference between median sales price and average sales price. The median sales price is when you take the low sale and the high sale, and the next lowest sale and the next highest sale, and you get to the middle, and that gives you the median sales price. Whereas the average sales price, if you have 10 homes, you add them all up and you divide by 10. So looking at the median sales price for 2021, the month of May, we were at $487,500, and that's dropped about almost 10% down to $440,000. The average sales price has dropped a little bit more drastically, about 17.8%, and went from $684,000 down to $562,000. That is just the month of May, comparing this May to last May. However, if you compare the whole year, looking at January to May, all right, in 2021, we had 112 listings. We're down to 88. We had pending sales dropped off 30%. Closed sales dropped off 42%, went from 89 down to 51. But you can see that average days on the market for the whole year, last year compared to this year, has really dropped by 65%. But the median sales price and the average sales price have both gone up. The median not so much, but the average sales price for year to date 2022 is about 14.8% higher than it was for 2021. So looking at the month of May, is the market starting to slow a little bit? It could be. It could be. You probably want a little bit more information. We'll look at the next couple of months. However, it looks like it may be starting to turn. We do have a market report for the condos and the townhouses in the area. Even though there's not that many, you can see that the numbers have dwindled from 2022 when compared to 2021. New listings dropped from 9 to 2, pending sales 7 to 2, and closed sales 3 to 1. And the median sales and the average sales price have both dropped for the month of May for condos. However, if you look at the average sales price for year to date, we're still up over 2021, although the median sales price did come down a bit for condos, and that's, we're looking at 15 condos sold through the month of May for 2022, and excuse me, 19 sold, 15 new listings, this year. So that's pretty much the report. I just wanted to give you a quick overview. If you need more information, Bridget would be happy to give it to you. You can call or text her at 860-857-5165, or you can email her at Bridget A. Morrissey, 2 R's, 2 S's, Bridget A. Morrissey at gmail.com, or you can go online and check out what's going on at bridgetmorrissey.com. I hope this information helps you, and I hope you have a great day.